This is how probability works on a 36 number lottery. If you bet dual numbers, check this trick out carefully. So right, let's get into action. You see I selected two ones, I cancel one with the dice that I put on the other one because one number can't come out twice in a lottery, which means one only comes one, and it's our main number in the blue, and the black is our secondary number, which is from the pot of 36. So now we have to use another number in that pot because we already have the one as our main number. So that's why I cancel the one. As you know, at double numbers, you can only get 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 4. You can't get 1 and 1. That's why I selected this one. Is important for you to remember. So only work on 35 numbers, which is now 1 and 2 as our first number because we already cancelled 1. So then it's 1 and 3 again for our second number. Yes, then we go on to 1 and 4, which is our third number. Then we go to 1 and 5 as our fourth pick of the day. Then we go to 1 and 6 as our fifth pick for the day. Then we go to 1 and 7 as our sixth pick. You have to know that the number in the black is our secondary. So 8 is our seventh pick because we're going to work with 35. 9 is our eighth pick. So then we go on to 10 as our ninth pick. Remember that the main number always stays the same. 11 is our 10th pick for the day. And then we go to 12 as our 11th pick because we cancelled 1. So we started 2 as our first. So then we go to our 12th pick, which is 13. I always remind you about the 1 so you guys can't get lost on the numbering selection is probability. Then we take 15 as our 14th pick for the day, 1 and 15 because it's dual numbers, and 16 will be our 15th pick. What actually happens here, guys, as you can see, the main number stays the same and the secondary in the blackboard is changing, but the number is on 18, which is our 17th pick because we canceled one number. So 19 will be our 18th pick. As you know, we just go up with the numbers, but we cancel the 1 and 1 because we can't get two of the same numbers in one pot. So then we go on our 21st selection will be 1 and 22. So guys, remember not to get confused with the selections because the selections might confuse you. Don't select the same pot twice, like 1 and 24. You can't select it. You can, but don't do it. We will just confuse the enemy because it's probability, which is actually a trick for dual numbers. You can do it for 3 numbers, 4 numbers, and so on, but the main aim for you is just to start with 2 numbers. I think for 2 numbers, if you get them correct, you will get 51 rand for 1 rand. So the starting budget here will be 35 rand, for we only work with 35 pots. So we are on the 29th selection is 1 and 30. 1 and 31 is our 30th selection. Then we go to 1 and 32, which is our 31st selection. Then we go to our 32nd selection is 1 and 33. Then we go to our 33rd selection, which is 1 and 34. Then we go to our 34th selection, which is 1 and 35. Then we go to our 31st selection is 1 and 36. So look here, it's not about the 1. You can always change your main number like I did now. I put it to 2, and then you just use your other numbers, and you can make it to 3, whatever you want. So let's continue with everything. Right, let's assume that's your winning numbers on top with the one highlighted as your main number, which means you win 5 spots. Now 51 per spot times 5 spots is equals to 255. So 255 minus the 35 rand at which you started as your starting budget is equals to 220, which is your profit when you use the probability technique on dual numbers as probability for the numbers of 36 number lottery. Thank you. If you select, please select number that will come out, like your main number must come out for in order for you to get the other 5 spots will be easy because it will always come out. But if you select a wrong number as your main number, then you will lose. But you can use any number which you think of. Only one number is your main number. If, for instance, it's 7, then you use 7. Then you go with 7-1, 7-2. But you must remember when it comes to 7-7, it will cancel because 7 can't come out twice in one lottery moment. So guys, thanks for watching. Enjoy. your day further. Thank you. And thanks for subscribing, sharing, and liking our page.